Just kidding, of course, everyone. Happy Halloween. My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Over the past week, Doge has pumped over 120% in response to some really important news, so we're going to be covering that as well as going into a full analysis of what happened and where it could be going next. Let's get started. Here's the official news, guys. Elon Musk completes $44 billion deal to own Twitter. After months of waffling, lawsuits, verbal mudslinging, and the near miss of a full-blown trial, Elon Musk now owns Twitter. On Thursday night, Mr. Musk closed his $44 billion deal to buy the social media service, said three people with the knowledge of the situation. He also began cleaning house with at least four top Twitter executives, including the chief executive and chief financial officers, getting fired on Thursday. Mr. Musk had arrived at Twitter's San Francisco headquarters on Wednesday and met with engineers and ad executives. I'm not going to go into the full article, it's fairly long, but I will leave the links for you in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Now, let's talk about how this relates to Dogecoin itself. As many of you know, Elon Musk is considered the Doge father. Typically, when Elon tweets anything about Dogecoin, it pumps like crazy, and there have been rumors that Elon would integrate some sort of utility for Dogecoin into Twitter itself, so I imagine this is where this crazy pump happened. There's no real timeline for when that would happen or even if it is true in the first place, but it is something to pay attention to, and the markets sure did react to it. Let me show you. Right now I'm looking at Doge USD, the TC top and bottom finder metric on the tradeconfident.io website. This was last updated this morning, October 31st, and my is this a spooky chart. We can see right here over the past 7 days, this is a huge pump that happened. The market reversal chart is printing multiple very large red bars here, and this was sort of a delayed pump that happened here. The rest of the market saw big moves. We can see right here, I guess this isn't a big move, but you can see generally there was a pump at about the same time, but the news of Elon Musk buying Twitter absolutely skyrocketed it. As of right now, we have pushed well outside of the red liquidity zone, and this is a decent buy signal, this is a decent sell signal. I do not recommend buying. I can't give financial advice, but that would be a huge bunch of FOMO there, so I don't recommend that. Overall, this could be a good place for an entry for a short trade or an exit for a long trade for anyone that is in Doge right now. And again, these red bars along with the huge push outside of the red liquidity zone could indicate a big move down incoming. Let's talk indicators, everyone. Let's get a closer look at what the charts are doing. So there was that organic pump that happened in the market throughout the entire market itself, and that pushed Doge up about 40% here. After that, it dropped along with the rest of the market as well. You can even see this on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Over last week, there was a crazy pump and dropped back down. But October 27th, right about this bottom, is when it was announced that Elon had bought Twitter. And that pumped about 80% right here. We did see strong resistance here at about 13.289 cents. And we do have a structure support at 11.195 cents. I do not think that we're going to see this move any higher. I do think we're going to bounce right off that 13-cent resistance line again. And I wouldn't be shocked to see a major sell-off at some point as people take profit here, as they did right here. I think we're going to see a major sell-off, and I don't think this 13 cents is going to last very long. I do think a move down, probably to structure support at the very least at about 8 cents here, 8.3 cents, is the next move after we break down out of this. The trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow are in the center of their charts. I do expect the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow to rise a little bit higher as we reach that 13-cent resistance line. On the one-day chart here, the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are really high on their charts and moving back down, and this does support that 8-cent support right here, although it wouldn't be too shocking to see the price move down to about 7 cents right here, as that is the next structure support after that 8-cent mark. Overall, a combined total of over 120% pump in 7 days is absolutely insane and really can only be seen on smaller coins like this. For those that had entered beforehand, congratulations on that. For those that want to enter, I personally am not. That is a little terrifying for me. Most of the time when you see gigantic pumps like that, it always follows with a huge drop down. So I think any entry at this point would be really, really risky unless it's a short trade. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take any trades based on what you're hearing here, but a short trade could be a good entry at that point. We don't typically recommend short trades due to the higher risks involved, but many traders that do follow Trade Confident do short trades, so I did want to mention that. On the fundamental side of things, Elon Musk bought Twitter. That was the cause of the pump overall, and he did announce that Doge could see some integration into Twitter to find some sort of utility, and that's probably why Doge itself pumped. Elon is the Doge father, the Doge whisperer. Whenever he talks about it on Twitter, Doge pumps every single time. It's one of the most reliable things in crypto, actually. So just keep on the lookout for tweets about Doge from Elon Musk, and you'll probably see movement in the coin from that. And of course, we will keep everyone updated as well. If you want to get access to the indicators that you saw in this video, click the link in the description. It'll bring you to this page right here. The indicators are sold separately from our $75 a month membership. In order to get the best deal possible, you're going to snag our bundle pack right here. It gives you lifetime access for a one-time payment and gives you access to 9 of the Trade Confident indicators right here, including the price versus money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you saw me use in this video. On top of this, you'll get a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal charts. Again, that's lifetime access for a one-time payment. And no matter what you get, whether you're a member, whether you own the indicators, or you're just wanting to say hi, shoot us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'd be happy to help you out. With that, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it, guys. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.